Okay, so there's a bunch of different ways of doing queen mergers, the push-in cage, you name it, they're there, but here's one you've never heard of before. It's a newspaper merge with a nuke. And this hive here has been greatly compromised. We had the mosquito control go through here and hit both of these things with a hell of a good fogging. But not only that, this queen is one of the crap queens that I got from Dresser, Wisconsin. That's a whole different rant. So what we're going to do here is take these off, and there shouldn't be any in here at all to speak of. I'm going to shake most of the bees out and see if there is a queen in back, find her, pinch her. We're going to take the 5 frames that are in that nuke. There's actually only 3 frames in there that have bees on them, and they're going to go right in the dead center here. We'll put the newspaper in between the two, sprinkle it down with sugar syrup, poke a couple holes in it. This method was developed by Troy Slater. He said he's never had a queen rejected this way, and when I've done it from his queens, I've never had it rejected too. Of course, we know his queens are all good. So that's what's going to be happening here. And yeah, newspaper merge. I've asked a couple people about it. They'd never heard of it. I thought, boy, for crying out loud, I got to film this. It's a no-brainer. And a simple thing to do for, if you get 3 frames of bees or whatever, out of your mating boxes. Sometimes I'll just take the 3 frames and I'll just put them right in the center. And then as soon as the queen is emerged, not emerged, but the newspaper's been down, they'll actually just co-mingle, take those frames out, drop them in down below, and you're good to go. So that's what's going to be going on here. So I'm going to start going through this. I don't know if this is part that needs to actually be on film, but as long as I'm here, I'll just split this thing open. One thing about the newspaper merge is you definitely have to open up the upper entrance here so the new bees can move freely back and forth and so on. Yeah, this hive is pretty much empty. That's it. I don't think there's anything going on in there. It's one of the Apivar strips that's left over. We didn't even bother with that because this thing got so decimated. I'm seeing drones going around. I don't think there's any bees in here to speak of. But just do a double check here real quick. Pull them out. I'm not even certain if I need to do a newspaper merge with it, but there are some bees in here. Old Apivar. Not worried about handling that with my hands. Yeah, this thing is just completely empty. There's not even any food in here, nothing. So that simplifies that. So in fact, I'm not going to do a newspaper merge, but just to demonstrate what you would do, you just put this down in, sprinkle it with the sugar syrup, and let her have at it. My only concern is that this hive might get robbed out. We're going to put a feeder on it, entrance reducer, robber guard, but I was actually hoping there was a couple bees in here. That is not the case. They're coming and going for no apparent reason. Yeah, look at all that crap. It's one of the reasons I like using drone frames, but these frames here are actually from the original nuke that these things were dropped into. So that is that. That's just ridiculous. But that's the concept of a newspaper merge. It's a beautiful, simple thing. Nothing to worry about. So feel free to try it. Tell other folk about it. Just put them in and let them go. And yeah, it's bulletproof. Absolutely bulletproof. So this is going to be the first time you've ever heard of it. Queen introduction by newspaper merge. So feel free to discuss it. I wish I could actually show this. I wish there were more bees down here. I'm kind of glad there aren't. In fact, with all that fogging from the Minnesota mosquito control, they were told not to go down this road or that one over there. And they didn't get the message. And I've got 2 hives that are completely screwed up. This is just in a friend's yard over here on the southwest side of the peninsula. What a letdown. I was hoping there was a little bit more in here, but I knew that they were going away, so that's okay. So I'll pull those out, but yeah, if you like what you've seen here, I'm going to do this for the first time and say go ahead and like and subscribe. If you can get by the fog that's coming through the smoker. I don't even need to light the smoker. Anyways, well, God bless, and God bless the bees. Take care. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your input and any questions and comments.